Okay, students, we'll continue today with some more numericals on the same chapter, basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, see what is the question here? The question says you calculate molality of sulfuric acid in which mole fraction is given. When molality we have to calculate means what are we asked to calculate? Moles of sulfuric acid in 1000 grams of water is asked. This is asked, children, here. Okay, we know the mole fraction of water in the question is 0.85. So when we know this, we know that ki sum of the mole fraction of water and sulfuric acid is equal to 1, and this is given as 0.85. That means the mole fraction of sulfuric acid will be 0.15. Okay, now you might be thinking ki molality we have to calculate, ki this is the formula. Okay, that is the molality is weight by molecular weight into 1000 by the weight of the solvent in kg we take. So kg I have convert, if it is given in gram we divide it by 1000. Now instead of using this in this particular question, children, we can also use this simple formula. Mole fraction of sulfuric acid is equal to number of moles of sulfuric acid divided by number of moles of sulfuric acid plus number of moles of water. We know this is given in the question. It is given as 0.15. Okay, this mole fraction we have to calculate. Let this be here number of mole of because they are asking us to calculate the number of moles of sulfuric acid in 1000 grams. So that means this number of mole of water I can find out very easily. So number of mole of sulfuric acid plus what is this number of mole of water? We know moles in 1000 gram, that means number of mole of water will be here equal to 1000 divided by 18. Okay, so very simple. Now we are asked to calculate the the number of moles. So number of moles of sulfuric acid in this particular question, if you solve it, it will come out to be 9.8. 9.8 itself is molality. Okay, why it is molality? I hope it is clear. We were asked to calculate number of moles in 1000 grams. So number of moles in 1000 gram of water we have solved. So you will be using simple mole fraction formula and solving this. Okay. Now read the next question, children. Now what is the next question saying? You have to calculate the density of 3 molar of the solution is given. Okay, this is given to you and you are asked to calculate here, calculate molality of the solution, small m. You are asked to calculate molality of solution. Molality of solution means again moles in 1 kg we have to calculate. So what is it? We will be writing. Now first we know what is this 3 molar mean. 3 molar means 3 moles NaCl is dissolved in 1000 ml, that is 1 liter we can say, or 1000 ml, because this density is given. I am using here. Density is given as this much. 3 molar I have expanded. It is 3 moles of NaCl in 1000 ml of solution. Now I will convert this volume into mass because I am asked to calculate molality, where molality we know is weight by molecular weight. In a way this is number of moles into 1000 divided by weight of the solvent in grams. Okay, so what I will do is I will first find out this W. How? This capital W, that is the mass of the solvent, is volume into density. What is the volume? 1000 ml. Density 1.25. Okay, so if I solve this, I will get here 1250. This is what? This much gram. This is what? The mass of solution, children, here. Because this is volume of the solution. This is density for the solution. So I have to still calculate this capital W. This is mass of solution. Now what is weight of the solvent? Weight of the solvent will be equal to the weight of the solution minus the weight of solute. What is the weight of solution here? We got this 1250. What is the weight of the solute? We will find the weight of the solute. How we will find the weight of the solute? We know 3 moles. 3 moles means 3 into 58.5. If I solve, this comes out to be 175.5 grams. So this I am going to subtract 175.5. I subtract, then if I subtract it, I will get the answer here as in terms of grams 1074.5 grams. This is my capital W now. This is the weight of the solvent to be used in this formula now. Okay, this I know, moles of the solute, this I know already. So it will be just 3 into 1000 divided by this 1074.5. If I solve now, children, I will get the answer as 2.79 molar. This is my final answer. This is the answer for the question.